In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the procedure entry point could not be located. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you come here and search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type sfc /scan now. Press enter and it's going to start scanning for any corruption on your PC. Once this is done, you can just close it down, or you can just wait for it to do this and then minimize it. And then you want to head over to Google and search for Visual C++ and open up the Microsoft one. In here you want to download Visual C++ and you want to scroll down until you find which version you need to download. This is really simple. You're just going to check for these and you can search for system information and find out which one you need. I need a 64 one, so I'll press on 64. But then you should get an installer, which is super easy to install. Just press next, next, next and install. After that, just restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.